old acquaintance we forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance we forgot and old lang syne.
Hi everyone. Well, Happy New Year's Eve. I wasn't going to come to film at Aldi's Finds aisle today, but I don't have anything exciting going on. Going to dinner tonight with a girlfriend early, and then I'll be home the rest of the evening. So I figured I'd pop in here. So I'm just starting to go down the aisle now. These are 18 by 30 inch comfort cushion kitchen mats. That's a mouthful. They have a few different designs and they are $7.99 each. There's a few things that were here last week. They still have some of these stoneware canisters for coffee, sugar, and flour. They are $9.99 each. And for $5.99, they still have a lot of these coffee cup candles. They're glass coffee candles. And they have hazelnut latte, caramel, macchiato. I think those are the three that they have left. This looks like it would come in handy for many things. It's a two-wheeled folding utility cart. It says it's easy to assemble. It has two rolling wheels that make the cart easy to remove. Great for carrying bulky or multiple items, and it folds down for convenient storage. And that is $19.99. It says 77-pound maximum loading capacity. It's foldable and you don't need any tools. This might be handy, especially in the cold winter weather. This is a ride and go jump starter, and it's $49.99. It's a portable jump starter. I can't pick these up. They're heavy and they're on the bottom. But they're 4-tier resin shelving units, and they are $19.99. These are double step stools, and they are by Little Journey, and they are $7.99. It's either a 2-pack chair or a double step. And over here are the potty seats, and they are also $7.99, and they have two different styles. Here they have Curtain House wall-mounted bins, and they are transparent, and they are $12.99. They have a 4-drawer storage tower. They give you the dimensions on the box here. It says sturdy structure with 4 removable drawers, and it's slim and modern design. It's a slim and a modern design, ideal for small spaces, and that is $29.99. For $14.99, they have Work Zone compartment organizers, and they're transparent drawers, 33 drawers, desktop or wall mountable, and it includes 32 drawer dividers with removable drawers. So those would probably come in handy for many things. Here are Curtain House huggable heating pads. And I can see there, some of them are like, I'll show you, like a knit material with pom-poms. And some of them look like they're, try to get it up, furry. And it looks like they come in 3 furry styles and a couple of knit styles. And they are $6.99 each. Up here are telescopic LED flashlights, and they're by Work Zone. And it says on it LED magnetic flashlight, and they are $6.99 each. Here we have hot hands. They're hand warmer, and it's a value pack. You get 10 in there for $4.99. Up here there are blood pressure monitors. They have two different styles. One is for your upper arm, and the other one is for your wrist. And they are $24.99 each. It looks like they're getting everyone prepared for the cold winter. Everybody starts to try to organize in January. And also things if you get sick. So here is a king size heating pad. It says it's absorbent sponge, allows for moist heat option, and it has 4 heat settings. The dimensions are 12-inch by 24-inch, and it says it makes it easy to conform to the comfort of your own bed, seat, or anywhere. And those are $14.99. Here are LED ultrasonic humidifiers. LED color changing light. Oh, that's cool. Whisper quiet. That's very cool. They have an aroma diffuser and a 1.61 looks like tank capacity. I think it's gallons, and they are $14.99. Down on the bottom here are Easy Home 2-step stool. It says it's a foldable design with a safety locking, and the load capacity is 250 pounds, and they are $34.99. They have a pretty good amount of these latching storage boxes here. That says they're 64 quart. They're clear with the red lids, and they're $8.99 each. These say on the box that they are 8-piece storage bowl sets. You can see they're the bowls and the lids. Now, the price here says 12-piece storage bowl sets, $6.99. So I am not really sure. Maybe that has something to do with the lids. But it looks like they have it in a taupe color and a olive green. Up here are stretch pods, and it shows you on the box they have round stretch pods. They have the ones that look like they are for vegetables. Some look like they're for fruit, and some say stretch pod and a 3-piece cover. And that's what they look like, but they must have just put them out, so there's no price on them. Well, they have a variety up here of straws, reusable ice cubes, spoons, or stirring sticks. And they show you on the box the different types they have, and they are all $3.99 for the box. Down on the bottom there is Kirkton House 20 by, it looks like 18-inch oversized kitchen rugs, and they have them in nice colors. There's like a tan and white, green and white, looks like blue and white, and they are $7.99 each. These look interesting. They are comfort cushions. I'll try to pull one out a little bit. They're deluxe memory foam, multi-layered, non-slip bottom, and they relieve lower back and tailbone pressure. And the cover is machine washable, and they have a portable design. Looks like they have black and gray, and they are $19.99 each. These are fridge storage boxes, And they have a 3-piece box set. It says keep your fridge organized, and they're stackable with lids, and you get a 6-piece set, 3 containers and 3 lids, and they are $9.99. These are 2-tier fruit baskets up here. They also have banana hangers, so you have your choice of either for $12.99. Oh, this is the banana hanger. It has paper in between them. But that's next to the fruit hanger, and they're both $12.99 each. Here they have Crofton's antibacterial cutting boards. They're 14.35 times 9.84 inches. And it looks like they're 2-packs. You can either get the small or the large. And they say they are $7.99 each. Here's Ambiano's 3.7 quart digital air fryers. So they're pretty small. And they are $39.99 each. Looks like they come in black, and it looks like, according to the box, they're in like a green. And preheating function, cooking programs, touch control panel, and 3.7 quart capacity, $39.99. These are high-speed blending sets. They are by Ambiano. They almost look like the same type of setup as the Ninja I have. And they are, looks like black. They're $19.99 each. It's an 11-piece set. Down here you have your choice of these containers to go. You can either get the sandwich on the go, the ice pack on the go, or they have 3-pack condiments on the go. And they are $2.99, your choice. For everybody that's going to start exercising and dieting the beginning of the year, the ladies can pick a 2-pack fitness bra. Comes in sizes small through extra large. It looks like they come in 4 different colors here, and they are $9.99 for the pack of 2. Here we have Hot Hands. They're hand warmer, and it's a value pack. You get 10 in there for $4.99. Up here there are blood pressure monitors. They have 2 different styles. One is for your upper arm, and the other one is for your wrist. And they are $24.99 each. These say on the box that they are 8-piece storage bowl sets. You can see they're the bowls and the lids. Now, the price here says 12-piece storage bowl sets, $6.99. So I am not really sure. Maybe that has something to do with the lids. But it looks like they have it in a taupe color and a olive green. These are ladies' memory foam cross trainers. And, it says men's or ladies. And I see sizes 7 through 11. And there's a pair that are out of the box here. And they are $14.99 a pair. Here are interlocking floor mats. They come in different colors. It looks like there's 4 of them in a pack. They're 24 by 24 inches. They'll cover 16 feet. And they have finished borders. And it looks like they have gray, cream, it looks like a blue and green color. And they are $12.99. It shows you the available colors here on the box. These are 27-ounce shaker bottles by Zach. They are $4.99 each. They have 4 colors and they all have a saying on them. This one on the left says your only limit is you. The purple one says progress, perfection. This one says, I'm trying to read them from here, strong body, strong mind. And the black one says believe, achieve, and succeed. So you have your choice there for $4.99. Well, I told you they're getting ready for all of us to start exercising. So you have your choice here for $7.99, and they have a massage roller. You can get the exercise ball, or you can get a balance board. So your choice there for $7.99. Well, I could use this. This is an electronic massage ball. It says ideal for a relaxing self-massage. Looks like they have it in black, blue, and I see a green. It says ideal for your back, neck, arms, and legs. And they are $9.99 each. Here we have some light or medium resistance bands. These are your fitness bands. It says a loop set or a core slider. They're $4.99 for the box. Well, that looks interesting. That's a weighted fitness hoop. Strengthening and tones your cord. Improves your balance, coordination, and endurance. And I'm checking it in on, it looks like a hula hoop, but you swing in some kind of a ball around there. I'm not sure, but they are $14.99 each. These are soft shell jackets, and they're by Crane. They come in either that sort of muted green or turquoise color and black, and the sizes are small through extra large. They have a hood. It doesn't say whether they're men or women, but maybe unisex, I don't know. Well, you can tell I'm not an exerciser, because for $29.99 they have 3-pack kettlebell sets, 30-pound kettlebell set. They have the 5, 10, and 15 pounds, ideal for a variety of exercises to build muscle and strength. Very interesting. Shows you on the box the different exercises you can do. And it looks like each pack has a light green, a blue, and a cream color. And they are $29.99 for the set. If you didn't watch last Wednesday's Aldi Finds, they still have a few things left. They have a 2-in-1 corded pet stick vacuum, and that is $29.99. These are interesting. They're spin snack containers, and you spin the container to access your snacks. It says easy to open, close, and spin. And there's 3 compartments. They're $3.99 each. Here are Crofton 3-pack of rotating lock containers. So technically you get 6 pieces, 3 containers, and 3 lids. And they are $9.99 for the set. There's lots left, or maybe they just came in, of the 34-gallon latch totes with the lids, and they are $12.99 each. They also have the 40-quart hinge lid box for $9.99. Well, for those of you that are still here and you made it through this video, I want to wish you all a very happy, healthy New Year. Let's hope 2026 is a good one for all of us. And I'll see you again soon. I'm just taking a little break for now, and I'll be back. So love you all. Toodles!